Barre. The general's grip on power had weakened, and his allies had abandoned him.
By the time the government fell at the end in 1991, neither the Soviet Union nor the United States was backing Siad Barre. They both had given up on him.
Even if Siad Barre tried over those decades of rule to ban the clan, what happened to Siad Barre was that he eventually actually used clan politics to try to dominate the whole territory, and he marginalised some clans and promoted others. So the way in which he eventually fell from power was clans rose up against him and kicked him out.
Former British Somalia declared its independence